So there are a lot of great ways to combine your flare even if you only know how to do one. For example, executing one flare, then just tapping with your feet on the floor really quick to then combine it to like some kind of roll or even just a coin drop. Never tried coin drop before? Well, don't worry, because I explained the best way to learn coin drop in my coin drop tutorial that you can find alongside many others on my YouTube channel, of course. Now the second proposal I have for you guys is connecting your flare smoothly to a one-step, also known as the coffee grinder, and I believe the Germans call it
the helicopter.
It's a basic transition that should be executed calmly. And don't forget to keep your hips nice and low for good posture. And then you might as well just try and combine it with a reverse one-step. Why not? Now I love this next one. It's just one of those gems that you can only find with your man, Coach Sambo. Try hitting a full flare, and when pushing towards the second flare, step over your leg and place your foot on the floor to get this awesome coin drop variation mix kind of move. Once you tap the floor with your foot, try pushing yourself backwards, smoothly landing into your windmill to combine it to whatever move you're thinking of after that. I told you that was Coach Sambo Gold, right? Well, don't worry, I got more for you, including more videos on flare, such as my beginner flare tutorial that you can find on my YouTube channel, but also a full 50-minute flare masterclass that you can find on my website. The link to that is in the description down below. Now, this next one is also really neat. Halfway through the flare, you want to place your knee on the floor. And this happens before you hit the full rotation. After placing your knee on the floor, you want to simply swing your other leg to the back, which is basically going to help you with momentum. Now, you can use this transition to combine your flare to whatever you want. However, I do have to say that it does combine very well with the swipe. Just be aware that if you're still learning flares, that you really have to be careful with this technique or transition because it can teach you bad habits, especially if you're somebody that's trying to lift up their flares in the back. Be careful for that knee. Bam. 20 years of coaching experience squeezed smoothly into a little 3-minute video right here for you guys. You can find more on my YouTube channel or website, and don't forget to subscribe, because at the end of the day, when you think about it, it's just all about that B-boy shit.